Join me as I set out to find Spain's sunniest city and see just how many sunny days I can experience in 1 week. I've always been fascinated by the idea of a city in Spain that's bathed in sunlight all year round. You might think it's one of those famous coastal towns like Marbella or Malaga, but is that really the case? What makes a city truly sunny, and how can we measure it? People often assume that all of Spain is sunny, but that's not entirely true. The country's geography is quite diverse, with mountains and coastlines that can affect the climate. When we talk about sunny cities, we're usually looking at places with low rainfall and high levels of sunshine throughout the year. But how do we define sunny? Is it just about the number of sunny days, or does it also depend on the intensity of the sun? To determine Spain's sunniest city, we need to look at data from weather stations and climate reports. These reports provide us with information on the average number of sunny hours per day, as well as the number of rainy days and the amount of rainfall. By analyzing this data, we can get a clear picture of which cities are truly the sunniest. Some cities might have a lot of sunny days, but also experience heavy rainfall during certain months. Others might have fewer sunny days, but with more intense sunlight throughout the year. So, it's not just about picking a city that's on the coast or in a warm region. We need to dig deeper into the data. Let's take a look at some of the top contenders for Spain's sunniest city. We have cities like Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, which is known for its tropical climate and stunning beaches. Then there's Santa Cruz de Tenerife, another Canary Island gem with a pleasant subtropical climate. On the mainland, we have cities like Almería and Murcia, which are both known for their warm and sunny weather. Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, for example, boasts an average of 2,800 hours of sunshine per year, with temperatures rarely dropping below 20 degrees Celsius. Santa Cruz de Tenerife isn't far behind, with around 2,600 hours of sunshine per year and a unique microclimate that keeps temperatures stable. Almería and Murcia also have impressive numbers, with over 3,000 hours of sunshine per year. Each of these cities has its own unique charm and attractions, from the beautiful beaches of the Canary Islands to the rich cultural heritage of the mainland cities. But which one takes the title of Spain's sunniest city? The title holder of Spain's sunniest city is actually Arrecife, which is located on the island of Lanzarote in the Canary Islands. With an average of 3,441 hours of sunshine per year, Arrecife leaves all other contenders behind. This city experiences very little rainfall, with an average of just 20 rainy days per year. Arrecife's unique geography and climate make it the perfect spot for sun seekers. The city's coastal location and low elevation ensure that it stays warm and sunny throughout the year, making it an ideal destination for tourists and sun lovers alike. So, what makes Arrecife so special? Not only does it have an incredible amount of sunshine, but it's also a beautiful city with a rich history and stunning natural landscapes. From its volcanic beaches to its colonial architecture, Arrecife is a city that will leave you speechless. In summary, Arrecife takes the crown as Spain's sunniest city, with an impressive number of sunny hours per year and a unique climate that makes it perfect for sun seekers. If you're looking for a destination that's always sunny and warm, Arrecife is definitely worth considering. If you've got a favorite sunny spot in Spain, let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in exploring more of Spain's best vacation destinations, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing my top picks for the best places to visit in Spain.